The 5-year-old inside of you will thank you, but the adult inside of you will know that you're getting away with something. We're gonna make what is my son's new favorite breakfast, one of them, chocolate chip cookie dough bowl. So it's 2 components. We're making like a healthy cookie for the top, and then we're gonna make a smoothie. But what we've got here is a tablespoon of nut butter. We're using peanut, and then he's gonna add 3 tablespoons of oat flour, a tablespoon of maple syrup, mix that all around until it's nicely combined. You just wanna keep on going until basically you don't see any flour. So now we'll fold in that's a lot of chocolate chips. Oh, are you testing to make sure the chocolate chips are still good?
Yeah, I said there was too many.
Oh, fair enough, good call. Just try to get the chocolate chips nice and mixed around so you don't get all in one cookie. He'll use a half a tablespoon measure to get the right size of the balls, but you can make them whatever size you want. Balls. Just the word ball is just hilarious. Now just roll it in your palms. Just make sure, see how there's like a tons of chocolate chips here and there's lots of dough there. Because I know what you're doing. You're just trying to steal all the chocolate chips for your bowl. I know your tricks. So while he's finishing that, let's start making this smoothie, which is 1 banana, a tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/3 cup of plant-based milk, a tablespoon of nut butter, handful of ice cubes. Another thing I'll often add is a tablespoon of protein powder, but I didn't do it today because Ephraim doesn't need or love it. This is where you gotta work kind of quick. So this is optional, but we always put a little bit of frozen fruit on the bottom of the bowls. So now we're gonna pour this out into our bowls, and we'll try to get a nice even amount. Whoa, so that's mine.
What?
This is yours. We're gonna make it more even, give it a second. So then just pop those into your bowl. Now let's give her a taste.
So good.
It's so satisfying. This is a pretty healthy breakfast. There's just a little bit of maple syrup in there.
And chocolate.
And the chocolate. But you could swap it out with raisins if you wanted to, or nuts or whatever.
Don't.
Don't do what he says, but you could.
Keep the chocolate.
Keep the chocolate, we got it.